Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update, and after that time you just open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case and check it. If it doesn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to go to the Backbeat application. Of course, your earbuds should be added to the app and turn on. Then you go to the settings at the right top and scroll down. At the bottom we have reset settings. Tap at this line, then click reset headset and reset headset again. Now we need to wait until this reset finished and then click done. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone, and it will automatically reconnect your earbuds with the application. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and if you have Android you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, but I need to tap on it. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. Then click pair, and after that it will ask you to pair the left earbud. And you need to pair it, so click pair. And as I said, it automatically reconnected with the app. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!